Namaste. Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will learn how to fix rounded shoulders. My name is Shelly. This is Shakti Yoga with Shelly. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and watch the video till the end to understand and learn the modifications and how to prepare your body to get into this asana. Let's get started. Take a comfortable seat. You can choose Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Keep them shoulder height. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and stretch your hands away from the body. Exhale, bring your hands back. Inhale, stretch your arms out and turn your palms out. Keep breathing through the nostrils. Exhale, bring your hands back. One more stretch. Inhale, stretch your arms, turn your palms out. Exhale back. Inhale, stretch them out one more time. And this time as you exhale, turn your arms towards the right. Don't shrug your left shoulder up. Keep it down. Feel a deep stretch in your left shoulder blade. Inhale, bring the arms back to the center. As you exhale, stretch to the left. Don't bend the elbow. Keep your left arm bent and right arm straight. Breathe. Inhale, back to the center. Release your arms. From here, I'm going to have my back face the camera so you can see my arm movement and the final hand position. I'm still seated in Vajrasana. From here, I'm going to stretch my arms out, bend my elbows and bring my hands together, palm pressed against each other, and have the final position of my hands in reverse namaste. Like this. The hands are between the shoulder blades. The shoulder blades are pressed back and squeezing in together, deepening the crease between the two. The shoulders are getting a good stretch. My chest is wide open. My shoulder blades are squeezed in. Arms are getting a good stretch here, and so are my wrists. This movement, reverse pranam, reverse namaste, is very good to let go of the rounding in the shoulders or stiffness in the upper back. And now a step-by-step guide to prepare the upper body for reverse prayer pose. Stretch your arms, rotate the shoulders, bend the elbows and hold your elbows with opposite hands. Here, stretch your shoulders, widen your chest, squeeze in the shoulder blades, and you're still getting the stretch in your upper body. Another preparatory movement, stretch your arms, rotate the shoulders, bend the elbows, and hold the wrist of one hand with the other hand. Again, squeezing in the shoulder blades, keeping the chest wide and shoulders stretched. When you get comfortable with the previous two movements, try this. Bending one elbow, left in this case, and having the left hand in prayer position. You can keep the right at the bottom of the left, or maybe touching the palm, or maybe just the fingertips of both the hands, maybe touching together, or maybe not. Just try if you can bring the palms together. Once you are there, try to slide your hands up between the shoulder blades. And there you are in your reverse prayer position. Now, rounding of the shoulders isn't just a postural issue. When the shoulders are rounded like this, we are not able to breathe fully. So first of all, the body isn't getting enough oxygen. Second, the message that the brain is getting is that something is not right. I need to save myself. So a deep-seated sense of insecurity builds in. We don't want any of that. So practice this regularly and get rid of all of these issues. Like this video, share it with your friends. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.